simple linear regression is one of the most fundamental techniques in machine learning and statistics, and what it does is model the relationship between an independent variable and a dependent variable. So, for example, consider this data right here, where salary is the dependent variable because it depends on years of experience. So what we want to do with simple linear regression is fit a straight line through the data that best explains the relationship. So, to demonstrate with some Python code over here, let's say we want to predict salary, so our dependent variable, based on the years of experience. Well, this is very easy with the scikit-learn Python library, where essentially what I have here is our dummy data, which if you look corresponds to this data here. So we have our independent variable, which is years of experience, and then we have our dependent variable, which is salary. Then all we need to do is create a linear regression model. We train the linear regression model by finding the best fitting line for your data, which is all done with just this method fit. So we're fitting our independent variable and our dependent variable. Then we just need to use the predict function to predict the salaries. And we can see right here the predicted salaries are these. And if we want to plot these out, this is what it would look like. So here's our actual data, these blue dots, and here's the regression line that would predict. Say you had 2.5 years experience, your salary would be somewhere in this range, which would be about maybe 42,000, something along there. Or say you had 4.5 years of experience, then your salary would be around 57,000. I want to thank you for liking and subscribing. Check my software and courses in the description. Take it easy.